Here we have Allin exporters humidifier. As you can see, it's a very simple setup. This is the way in which you can point the direction of the humidifier, the mist that comes out, and then this is the water container, and then you have the actual unit that uses the technology to drive this humidifier. It is not heat based, so which is good, and it can do long hours of operation. So let me just show how to fill water into this. As you can see here, this is the opening through which you can fill water, and make sure the water is clean, and basically it should be from a filtered water, and it could be from your aquaguard or any other purifier that you have at your home. So this takes approximately 2+ liters of water. As per the instructions, you are not supposed to fill it all the way up to the brink. So just make sure you feel sufficient to test out the product. And then you close this nozzle, and you need to place this on top of this. Now that you have placed the water tank on top of the nebulizer, you can see that you can place this funnel on top of it, and you can direct the steam anywhere you want. This could not be called a steam, it's more mist. And now I have plugged this into a regular socket, and this is the knob here which you need to turn, and you could control the rate of flow. You can see here, okay, this is the max speed, and you could reduce it to a lower thing. And then you have a cool LED which you can use as a night lamp in your bedroom. You can see here. And just to feel it, it's very cold, it's not hot, unlike a regular steam that is generated from a steam generator. And let me also smell it. I think it smells fresh. Make sure the water is clean water. You could see the generated. Maybe I could switch off the lights so it becomes more clear. So overall, a good humidifier in my perspective, and currently I do not know the benefits of this first time, so I'll have to experience it for myself. That's it from my side. Thank you.